Marvel Land. The Monkey Brothers love to frolic. Mom had a hard time with the Monkey Brothers because they loved to frolic hard.
Are you still playing outside? It's time for bed now. Come inside. Hurry!
Mom yelled at the Monkey Brothers who played outside until late in the evening. Mom made them change into pajamas after taking a bath and get in bed.
Now it's time for bed. Don't you dare frolic in bed. Just go to sleep.
Yes, Mom. Good night.
But as soon as Mom left the room, the Monkey Brothers got out of bed and started playing, jumping on the bed from here to there.
My head!
The youngest monkey fell off the bed. He fell on his head and he started crying, grabbing his head.
My head hurts so much. Bah!
Mom heard him crying and came running in.
Oh no! Are you okay, baby? We need to call Dr. Rimbo right away.
Dr. Rimbo bandaged the youngest one's head and said,
"It's dangerous to jump on the bed."
When he was done treating him and left the room, the other four brothers started to frolic again, jumping on the bed up and down. This time, the second and the third brothers fell off the bed.
It hurts!
Mom heard the second and the third brothers crying and came running in, and Dr. Rimbo began to treat them.
I told you it was dangerous to jump on the bed,
said Dr. Rimbo as he bandaged the second and the third brothers' heads. Now, the youngest, the second, and the third brothers lay in a bed in a row. The two other brothers who didn't get hurt started jumping on the bed as soon as Mom and Dr. Rimbo left the room.
There's more space for us now.
We can jump higher now.
The two brothers jumped on the bed holding hands. The two brothers bumped their heads and fell to the floor.
Arg! It hurts so much.
Mom, it hurts so much.
Eventually, all the Monkey Brothers were hurt and laid on the bed in a row. Now that they hurt their heads, nobody dared to jump on the bed. Mom looked at the Monkey Brothers, her eyes full of concern. What would the Monkey Brothers think to see Mom in that shape?